it's your girl Simply Chyna. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a holiday glam look and I felt like this is long overdue. You guys already know Christmas is one of my favorite times, and I just felt like this is going to be the best way to start it off and showing you guys my glam look. So let me just kind of dive right into what we're going to be doing. Today I'm just going to show you guys a soft glam look for the holiday time. You guys can wear it for Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, whichever. So today I'm going to be reviewing also the Midnight Masquerade Disney collection palette for this look. This is kind of long overdue, but you guys know, like, I love Christmas and I love Disney, so I felt like to try to combine the two would be like the best bet. And the palette is really nice, you guys. The palette has so many great vibrant glitter pigments that I felt like would be really nice for the holiday time. They're just to die for. They're so gorgeous. But I'm gonna dive right in. If you see me looking down, it's also because I am looking at my Impressions Vanity Hello Kitty mirror. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. I'm just gonna put that back. I clean up like this at the top of my brow, like so. And the reason why I do that, this is a trick because when you blend, it blends flawlessly because of the fact that it's closer to my complexion. Whereas the yellow undertone actually highlights the parts that you want to stand out more. So that's normally like under the I guess the arch of the brow. We're gonna dive into the glam part. So I'm gonna be using the Aaliyah. This is the eyeshadow from MAC. I believe this is the Burgundy × 9 eyeshadow. So this is from the Aaliyah collection. I'm using this nice mauve color to be like my transition color because I am feeling very like pink, mauve, like that's kind of the vibes. Instead of red, because I feel like I always do, like I haven't done a video like this, but I'm just saying from my glam perspective, like I always end up doing stuff that incorporate red around the holidays, as you should. Like, come on, like that's the purpose. But I feel like I want a pink, like I want a pink holiday Christmas. Like I'm feeling very pink vibes. Like everyone knows, like, you know, I like pink anyway, so it really didn't take much for me to think of this. But as you can see, I'm building up that color so that it can get very defined. And I'm just going to go and look over this Colourpop palette, and I'm gonna use Gaston, which is this very bright, I guess you could say that's like a red. I'm gonna put that at the top, Gaston, and I'm going to apply it on both sides. But the pigment, I'm just gonna warn you guys, the pigment on Colourpop is very intense, so just be very light-handed with when you're applying the color, because I'm telling you, the pigmentation on this stuff is just really, it's a lot. And just to be honest with you, you will look crazy because like the pigment is so much. Ooh, this chocolate is really nice. But I think I'm gonna use, it looks really dark. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, that's perfect. Again, just blend with like a clean brush. It's kind of hard for me because I always have like so many brushes that I'm using, but I'm just gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna do a cut crease because I want the colors to pop. And I always use this is the NYX pomade. It's the liner pomade. It's in white, but I use this to create my cut crease. And the brushes that I tend to use, you guys, is B&H. Reason being, they're like, and like I think they're cruelty free, but then also like the fibers on the brush, they're quite soft. And me, I have sensitive skin, so I try to avoid using anything with like tough fibers, I guess you could say, or brushes that are tough, because I just feel like, for me personally, like I break out so bad, and this kind of prevents it. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I ended up voiceovering just the end because I didn't have end footage, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. CC out. Bye.